Okay, so the quickest way to fix your flat snowblower tire is get yourself some of this bead sealer. I got this from O'Reilly. It's about $13, and this tire will not come off. It's literally stuck in here for good. The only way to get it off, if you're gonna have to saw it off and take this to the repair shop, we're not gonna do that. That's too much work, and this will not come off because I've been pounding for over an hour. And it's in the middle of winter. You need to get this fixed as soon as possible because the snow is coming. So get yourself that. Get yourself some of this compressor, air compressor, ratcheting strap, and make sure you wrap it around your tire and use your bead sealer. Just blob it all around your rim, front and back. Once you ratchet it up, power your compressor, and it'll seal up right in like 2 minutes. That's as fast as it can get.